Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set or delete an alarm on a Realme phone. So let's get started. First, open the clock app on your Realme phone. Once you are inside, tap on the alarm section at the bottom. Now tap on the plus icon to add a new alarm. Set the time you want your alarm to ring. You can also choose additional options like setting it to ring once, or selecting specific days, for example workdays only, or custom days depending on your needs. Once everything is set, tap Done at the top right corner to save the alarm. Your alarm is now active and will ring at the selected time. If you want to turn it off, simply toggle the switch next to the alarm. Or if you want to delete the alarm, just tap and hold it for about 3 seconds, then tap the delete icon when it appears. And that's it. You have successfully set or deleted an alarm on your Realme phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.